Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking your Android version and making a quick backup. This prevents surprises. Once ready, open Settings and tap Google to reach account controls. You'll first toggle off web and app activity and location history because they capture searches and movement. Make sure to read the brief prompts. Google explains data use, then confirm your choice. Once done, return to the main Google controls to continue the privacy tightening steps in the next section. Next, focus on limiting data tied to ads and apps. You should disable ads personalization to stop many targeted ad profiles. Then, turn off app activity and voice and audio recordings. These stop Google from storing app usage and voice snippets. Make sure to review third-party app permissions in Settings Right Arrow Apps and revoke location, microphone, or contacts where unnecessary. Once done, clear any existing activity history. This reduces stored traces, and prepare to lock system-level tracking options in the final step. To finish, set location services to off or to only while using for each app. This prevents background tracking. Then, in Google Account Right Arrow Data and Privacy, delete past activity and schedule auto-deletions to keep it cleared. Make sure to sign out of any synced devices you no longer use. If tracking appears to continue, reboot the phone, inspect account sync options, and check for multiple Google accounts. As a final tip, update Android and audit device admin apps. Outdated software or admin apps can re-enable tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.